Hello, Victor here from Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this Mazda CX-5 2.2 SKYACTIV-D Sport. Finished in elegant grey and powered by 2.2 litre diesel engine, delivering 150 PS through precise manual transmission. This SUV offers refined, efficient drive with plenty of torque for smooth cruising and responsive overtaking. The bold design of the CX-5 includes LED headlights with adaptive front lighting, chrome exhaust trim and black lower moldings for rugged yet premium look. The 19-inch alloy wheels not only enhance the car's visual stance but also contribute to balanced and composed ride. The rear of the CX-5 features LED signature combination lights, privacy glass and a roof spoiler, giving it sporty and sophisticated finish. Boot practicality is top-notch with wide opening, low loading lip and 40-20-40 folding rear seats that allow flexible storage. Moving inside, we can see that the rear passengers enjoy reclining seats, folding center armrests with USB ports, ISOFIX points and air vents, ideal for long journeys or family adventures. The front seats are heated, electrically adjustable and include memory functions, offering exceptional support. Finished with wood grain trim, the cabin feels refined, ergonomic and driver focused. The heated leather steering wheel features integrated controls, and the color active driving display behind projects key info directly into your line of sight. Behind it is a digital display with traffic sign recognition, which keeps you informed and alert. Dual zone climate control with rear vents ensures everyone stays comfortable. And the infotainment system comes with 10 speaker Bose sound system with DB and aux and USB inputs, as well as Bluetooth functionality for hands-free calls and voice commands, access to your phone apps via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as vehicle monitors to track your fuel economy, status alerts and drive history, full navigation with smart rerouting and reversing camera sensors to allow you to park with total confidence with ease. This has been a presentation of the Mazda CX-5 2.2 SKYACTIV-D Sport. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.